I can decide what to correct in an exercise before the person does the exercise. Yes, of course, come on. I would never do that. And then you have come on. And then you have the person here, and before she starts, now, put your shoulders here, your ribs like this, your hips like this, fix the box, fix the hair, the makeup is perfect, now move with freedom. Out, lower, lift, and down. Bam. And in. There you go, very nice. Don't slow down too much. Stay there, stay there. Two more. Are we ready? Let's go. Stretch, open, forward, and stay. 1, 2, 3, and bend. And again, stretch, open, and 1, 2, 3, and bend. One more. Just think about the rhythm.